Hello subscribers, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be playing Tornado Alley Chase. So my sister's going to be joining the game soon, so we have to wait until she comes. Anyway, these are the tornadoes this is the tornado style, and this is the retro tornado style that is added to the game. So yeah. Say hi to YouTube. What the? He almost ruined the video, but whatever. Anyway, let's just survive this dangerous tornado. And I should add a game mode GUI here because some people just want to know what game mode is coming when the round starts. Okay, it's a little bit hard to describe it, but whatever. And me. Yes. I'm just responding to him saying yes. So, we're just gonna have to run. Oh, it's just an F2 tornado. Okay, it has the Tornado Alley Ultimate music and the Tornado Alley Ultimate plan, I guess. AKA the... well, whatever. No. The strong tornado model. What? What tornado model? I don't understand. The tag tornado I'm talking about. Oh, well, the Tornado Alley Classic tornado is black, so it's the what? I don't understand what he means. And it's so confusing because I have made all black tornado models sometimes, so yeah. Oh, it looks like my sister has joined the game. Say hi to YouTube. Hi, YouTube. That was my sister, so my sister is going to be playing with me, and I'm agreeing her. So, this is my sister here. Hi. So, yeah.
My favorite back is crazy. Don't show like that.
What? I was recording that. Why are you checking Android?
I'm going to say something. Just kidding.
Red clouds.
Wait, tag! I'm going to get you some chasing.
No, this is a Tornado Alley game, not a storm chasing game.
Oh. I'm going to get you.
Ah!
No, I did not tag you.
We just died.
No, you won because I did not tag you.
Hmm.
I'm gonna tag you.
No!
I'm gonna tag your friend.
No, don't! He's in the statue!
I tagged Gotcha.
Put me back to tape in this game.
Okay, I'm gonna get you, Pedalee. I'm gonna get you.
That's not me!
Oh. Hey!
No!
Oh!
And the reason why I'm looking like...
Where are you? Where are you? You are Tata. Are you lost?
No?
I can't see you. Ow! That's up.
Oh, no! Well,
Tata, where are you? Bring him here.
seriously.
We had to play.
Do you still have to call me that?
Oh, I'm sorry. I forgot your name.
Run. Remember that time? Remember that one?
Guys,
What?
you want to play hide and seek?
Sorry, but no, because we're gonna be surviving the tornado.
Please, just for once.
Well, I'm gonna be going to school soon, so yeah.
Wow, the tornado's edge is wake up.
No, you don't have to do that. Oh my god, damn it. The tornado just destroyed the tree.
Oh my God! Fred, are you okay? Yeah, he got it. Okay, the tree got caught.
Yeah, I'm stuck in the tree now. Oh, it's not even safe in the tree. You know it. Yeah, there, that's an easy way to do it. Ah, I'm... Okay, never mind. This is a cool game. I'll bring you, well, I'll bring you, Phoebe. Oh, no. You're just trying to fool us. Okay, whatever. I know. Wait, let me see what happens if I get in a tornado. Okay, well, yeah. Anyway, sorry that I paused the video. It's just that my parents are interrupting the video. So I have to turn on my speaker thing because oh fine, I won't turn it off. But when it's 8:35, then I have to go to school. But yeah. Well, my sister's gonna be going to school too soon enough. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, this is the map I made in Tornado Alley 4. So When I went to the Tornado Alley 4th game, I just decided to do something. I decided, good news, a tornado will be No, don't delete the record. Don't delete the tornado. Glitch-nado! It's exploding everything. No. There's bombs everywhere. Come on. I need to. I'm gonna. The glitch-nado. Wait, the glitch-nado didn't kill us when it touched us. Yeah, but I don't think we can survive this since it's glitching everywhere. Okay, let's just run. It's teleporting also. Okay. Now you need to click the run button, but that'll make your speed a lot. You're welcome. Oh, but still, this tornado's. Hey, no. Okay, I'm just gonna fly. It looks like some people are. No, you're lying.
I'm not going to kill you. I'm not going to kill you, please.
Oh, you're lying. That is sus. No. Oh, stop! You're distracting me from the tornado and I'll die. Okay. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. And don't forget to don't forget to turn on the notifications. See you next time. Bye.